Welcome to the first tutorial of Master Python. You can visit my website at masterpython.me. This is a complete beginner tool for Python. You can There are all sort of tutorials with detailed examples, and then we have interactive GUI where you can use your own code to test. Then we have practice problems. We have few interesting codes, all that good stuff. And then so after that, we're gonna move on to today's video. So today we're going to learn how to install Python on Windows or Mac OS. So simply to install Python, you go to python.org, you go to downloads, you look at the drop down menu, and then if you're a Mac user, go to Mac OS X, then download the latest Python release 3.7.4. Then if you're a Windows user, go to downloads and download Python for Windows. Click on that and it's going to download Python for you. And then you open Python, run and save files. So another Python compiler, free compilers are PyCharm. Go to PyCharm, go to download, and then download the community version for both Windows and Mac. Community version is free, whereas the professional version, it's paid. It has a free trial, but then after the trial ends, you'll have to pay for PyCharm to use it. So if you're a Mac user, go to Mac OS. If you're Windows, go to Windows and download the respective ones. The next one is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Go to install. It's gonna have you a detailed guide on how to install Jupyter Notebook. If you're a Windows user, you just go to your CMD and then type in pip install Jupyter. You type in pip install Jupyter Notebook. Then it's gonna download all the Jupyter Notebook files for you. And then if you don't have any PC or you can download any Python compilers, we have a few online compilers like rep.it. You can go to rep.it, then you go to new rep, you choose Python, create rep, then you type in your code here, you code here and then you run it. Then where you can also save your Python file, you can rename it, you can make it public, you can make it private. It's not that complicated. So that's one of the option, and then you can go to Python Anywhere or trinket.io, trinket.io/python3. So this is a Python 3 interface. You can go here too. Then this is the coding area and that's the output area. So you run it and then you see hi over there. So those are some online options you can use. So that's it for today's video, and then stay tuned for the next tutorial.